Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. I've had a number of messages asking me about the glue that's in the little syringe that I use. Well, it's Collal 3D glue, and it's nice because it kind of goes on in a glob and stays soft for a bit, and lets you kind of maneuver things around, but it also gives you a little bit of dimension. But I've also heard a lot of people ask about how to fill this, how do you get it in the syringe? And so since mine was empty, I thought I would take a minute to show you. So you want to first, there's a little bit of kind of dried glue in the top from the last time I used it. Get that out. And then these do have like a little, like the little sardine can keys. I have to be honest, I have never been able to get it to work right, so I just roll it like a tube of toothpaste. Just put it on there, hold it up against it. It just kind of fits right over the top, and you just squeeze. And I hope you can see it going in there. And you don't want to fill it completely. You want to stop when there's about that much room left and just kind of pull it off. Put the plunger in, and now the important thing is to push all of the air out. And that's why you want to leave a little bit of room so that you can get the plunger in down to where you're going to push all that air out. And see, it's coming out already, but I can still see that there's a little bit of air in there. So I'm just going to take a little piece of scrap card and pull that out. Now you can see there's no air in there. So then push it till it's got, see, some coming out, and then put the cap back on. And that'll keep it from drying out. And I've left mine in the syringe like that for weeks, a month, and it does not dry out. Now, the important thing is on the tube, roll it up tight and then squeeze. This has got, see how the cap's got some dried glue in there? You want to get that out as well, because anything that's going to stop you from getting a tight seal, you got to get rid of. Because if you don't get a tight seal, it will harden in the tube, and then it's not quite, but almost ruined. So squeeze all the air out of it. You want to squeeze it up till it's literally coming out the top like that. So you can see where it's actually protruding from the top. While you're holding it so that it's squeezing out, put the lid on and screw it on tight. And that will keep it good. And I've had it last in the tube without drying out for months. So as long as you take care of it, this stuff is great. But it's kind of expensive, so make sure you take care of it. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Bye.